The Breakroom Tour Camera system allows you to design and implement customized visual tours of your region. Users can launch your custom region tour at any time by clicking the Take Tour button in the Start Here UI. To exit the tour at any point, they can press the ESC key. To add tour cameras to your region, go into the Region Editor, find the Breakroom Tour Cameras object in your inventory list, and place the object into the region and click Save. The primary Breakroom Tour Cameras object does not need to be located close to the areas you want to film. It can be located anywhere in your region. However, we do recommend that you manually edit the object's transform component value to set it at the 0, 0, 0 location in your region. The Breakroom Tour Cameras object contains several pre-configured cameras that can be set up in your region. You can use one or all of these cameras to create your custom region tour. The choice is up to you. Let's take a look at the different camera types available in the Tour Cameras object and how they behave. To do so, we will open the Region Editor, find the Breakroom Tour Cameras object in our Object Inspector, then expand its Children menu. Next, find the Cameras object and expand its Children menu. The Tour Orbit camera circles the point of interest entirely and returns to its original position, creating a seamless, closed loop. The Wide Orbit camera performs a wider 360-degree orbit around a center focal point. The Zoom-in camera moves forward along a fixed track. The Zoom-out camera pulls away along a fixed track. The Pan-right camera shifts from left to right along a fixed track. The Pan-left camera shifts from right to left along a fixed track. Each camera can be activated or deactivated as necessary. To deactivate a camera, toggle the eye icon located to the right of its name. Each individual tour camera must be moved into position to capture the scenes you want to include in your tour. Many of the camera types include arrows and other markers designed to help with positioning. For example, here we see the Tour Pan Left camera. It has arrows indicating the direction the camera is facing and the path it will follow. The camera's track is highlighted in green. To edit the position of this camera, click on the Tour Pan Left camera and move the object to the position you would like it to be in. You can also use the Move Object to Camera button to make this easier. Press Save and Close when you are finished. Some Breakroom Tour cameras let you move the part of the camera that decides where it's looking, without changing the path the camera follows. By changing where the camera looks while it moves along its path, you can create unique special effects. To do so, expand the Tour Pan Left camera's Children menu and click on the Focus or Track object. Move the object to the position you would like it to be in. Press Save and Close when you are finished. In addition to editing their physical placement, there are a number of transition and speed options available within each tour camera object. Let's go through the different camera options and purpose. Expand the Breakroom Tour Cameras object. Click on the individual tour camera. The inspector window will launch for that object. Find the scripting data component and expand it. Speed. Each tour camera takes 5 seconds to move along its track by default. You can change the speed by editing the multiplier value. Lower numbers make the camera move slower, while higher numbers make it move faster. FOV or Field of View. Field of view controls how much of the region the camera can see. Lower numbers make the camera more focused on a particular object or scene. Too high of a number can cause fisheye distortion. Caption. Use this field to add a caption to each camera view. If it's blank, no words will appear at the bottom of the screen. Order. Default is 1 and means all cameras have the same priority. Assign individual numbers or priority groups to manually order tour cameras. Loops. Loops are only on orbit cameras. Determines how many times the camera travels along its circular track. Default is 1, but you can set it to a higher or lower value. Transition. Controls how each tour camera view transitions to the next one. Currently, Breakroom Tour cameras support 8 different transition types. Fade white or fade black. A blended fade into the next scene through a white or black screen. Wipe white or wipe black. A horizontal wipe into the next scene through a white or black screen. Door white or door black. a close shot into the middle, then opening up from the middle into the next scene, through a white or black background. Spin white or spin black, a spinning effect into the next scene through a white or black screen. There are additional options available under the room furniture component, attached to the Breakroom Tour Cameras main object. Let's go through these options and their usage. Hide interface. If ticked, this option hides the Breakroom UI while the tour is playing. Randomize cameras. If ticked, enabled cameras will play in random order for each tour. Intro transition. This field can be changed to any of the transition options explained earlier. Outro transition. This field can be changed to any of the transition options explained earlier.